Hey, welcome back to this cooking channel. This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl, and in this video I'm making for you a pork Milanese sandwich with a lemon aioli right after this. So right here I'm just showing you the ingredients before we get started. Also, let me invite you to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything and it really supports the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. On that note, let's get started with this recipe. Alright, right here I'm just sharpening up my knife. And now here I am cutting up some pork loin, cutting up some nice cutlets. Alright, here I'm putting some plastic down on my counter. And this is so I can pound out the pork cutlets. Alright, here I am going with a layer on top. And now here I am, I have my mallet and I'm going to town on these pork cutlets, alright? So I'm going to pound them out to about 1/4 of an inch thick. Alright, here I am making my egg wash. Now here I am seasoning up my flour, going in with some lemon pepper. I'm going in with the lemon pepper also in the egg wash. And here I am going in with some salt and pepper, making sure everything is seasoned. Alright, giving that a nice mix. Alright, now I'm going in with my Panko breadcrumbs. Going in with some Parmesan cheese. Giving that a good mix. Right here I'm just dropping in some Italian seasoning. And giving that a good mix as well. Alright, here I am starting my dredging process. So I'm going into the flour. Now here I am going to my egg wash. And now I'm coating it with the breadcrumbs with the Parmesan cheese. And make sure it's nice and coated. Yeah, so when you go to fry your pork cutlet, you won't have any spots missing and everything will be nice and crispy and coated. Alright. So like I said, go into the flour, coat it, go into the egg wash, get it nice and coated, and then go into the panko breadcrumbs and get it nice and coated, as you can see here. Alright, so right here I'm slicing up my tomatoes, my onions, and I'm slicing up some lemon, which is going to go into the aioli. The onions and the tomato, that's going to be for the sandwich. Alright, so here I'm making my lemon aioli. So I'm going in with some mayonnaise. So now I'm going in with some fresh herbs. I'm going in with some fresh parsley, some fresh thyme. And some fresh squeezed lemon juice, the juice of a half a lemon. All right, and it's about a cup. It's about a cup of mayonnaise in that container. All right, and I just went in with some salt and pepper. And I'm going to give that a really good blend. If I would have had a garlic clove, I would have threw that in there too. That would have gave it another element of flavor. Alright, so right here I have some nice rustic Italian bread that I'm cutting up. That's going to be for the sandwich. Yeah, so right here I'm just putting a little bit of oil on my bread so I could go out and toast it. So I'm just going to put some nice grill marks on it and toast it up a little bit on the grill. Alright. So this isn't something you want to just put on and walk away from. You want to stay right there and make sure that your bread doesn't burn. But I'm just putting grill marks on it just to give it a nice look. But you could have easily just threw it in the toaster and threw it in the oven. You know, or you can just you know, grill your bread like grilled cheese. All right, so here I am going into my cast iron frying pan. All right, so once you see those edges starting to get crispy and brown, that means it's time to flip. As you can see, I got a nice crust on it. All right, so I'm flipping them all right now. And so the same color I got on the top, that's the color I want on the bottom now. All right, so I got all my pork cutlets cooked, looking good and golden brown, nice and crispy. All right, so the next step is to shred some fresh shredded Parmesan cheese on top of the cutlets. All right, so I'm going in the oven for about 5 minutes. And here they are. All right, so I got that cheese crusted into the pork cutlets. All right, so here I am building my sandwich. Got the lemon aioli on the bread, tomatoes, onions. Here I go with the pork cutlet. And boom, here you go, pork Milanese sandwich done by yours truly, Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. So I just want to thank you for checking out another one of my videos. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more content like this. Also hit that notification bell and definitely smash that like button. Also catch me on social media if you want to follow me at Cooking and Grilling with Karl. Catch you on the next video. Peace.